Hey guys, greetings from Property Unboxing. Today we are in the sports sector of Noida Expressway, Sector 150, and we are going to show you a 3 BHK 1625 square feet apartment in a RERA registered project Samriddhi Luxuria. Samriddhi Group has already delivered a project Grand Avenue in Noida Extension, and in Sector 150, apart from the Luxuria project, they also have Samriddhi Daksh project. Promoter of this group is Dinesh Gupta, who is a chartered accountant by profession. If we talk about Sector 150, it is the last sector on Noida Expressway and is towards the right if you are going from Delhi. ATS Pristine marks the entry of the sector. This sector is spread over 600 acres and has 80% green area. This includes 42-acre Shahid Bhagat Singh Park, which is one of the biggest sector park in the country. Declared as Mega Sports City by Noida Authority, it will offer multi-purpose playfields, Olympic-sized swimming pool, golf range, cricket academy and lawn tennis academy. Apart from that, it will also have commercial space, hospital and a school. This sector will be a low density sector and it will abode approx 40,000 families. This sector has connectivity from already operational Metro Aqua Line, Noida Expressway, Yamuna Expressway, Eastern Peripheral, FNG and Pushta Road. This sector is one of the premium sectors of Noida as it has realty leaders like ATS, ACE, Godrej, Tata, Prateek, Antariksh and Mahagun. Luxuria project is spread over 10 acres. Construction is done in around 2 acres and the rest is open area. The central park is around 4.5 acres. All the corners of this society are open and each corner is of size around 0.75 acres. In each corner you will get different amenities like badminton court, basketball court, etc. In the front corner you will get a commercial complex. Entrance of this society is on a 45-meter road. This society will have 12 towers and around 850 units. It is being built in 2 phases. The right side is the second phase and the left side is the first phase. The first phase is expected to be delivered by December 21. Each apartment in Luxuria offers a 270-degree view, because of which flats will have proper natural light. My1 technology is used for construction. On both the sides of this project, you will have low-rise flats. The society will have a luxury clubhouse and will also have facilities like gymnasium, badminton court, basketball court, jogging track and a swimming pool. It will also offer services like banquet hall and community hall. Each tower will have 3 options: 2 BHK plus 2 toilet of size 1165 square feet, 3 BHK plus 2 toilet of size 1395 square feet and 3 BHK plus 3 toilet of size 1625 square feet. Each tower will have a drop-off area. You get a grand entrance in each tower. The entrance looks luxurious with nice chandeliers and Italian flooring. On the left side, you have a waiting area. And on the right side, you have the security guard area. And just next to it is the common toilet area. This waiting area is divided into 2 partitions by a glass window. Let's show you the common washroom area now. Premium sanitary ware is used. You will have a similar setup in all the towers. Now let's show you another unique feature of Samriddhi Luxuria, that is a kids play area in each tower and a small banquet hall for party. Each tower has 2 lifts and except the ground floor there are 4 flats on each floor. On the right side you have the kids play area and on the left side you have the party hall. In the kids play area, you have the rubber mats over the wooden flooring so that the kids can play without getting hurt. You have multiple kids game in this room. Uses the Italian marble flooring and a false ceiling is provided in this hall. This can be used for parties with small gatherings. It has windows all over the hall which gives it an open feeling. It is time to show you the flat now. The entrance gate is of height 8 feet. This is the living and the dining area. One more good part in Luxuria project is that the builder provides false ceiling in all the rooms and the ceiling height is around 10.5 feet. Before we show you the flat, let's tell you about the materials used in building this flat. Builder used Simpolo brand tile, Schneider electric boards, Phenolix wiring. Steel used is Tata Steel. If you see, all the material used are of good brands. The flat that we are showing you is of size 1625 square feet. It has a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 5 balconies. The living room size is 11 by 15 feet and the dining room size is around 10 by 12 feet. The living room also has an attached balcony. You get an open kitchen just next to the dining area. Just behind this wall is the first bedroom and just opposite to it you have the second bedroom and next to it is the third bedroom. In front you have the common bathroom. If we talk about the kitchen, the builder is going to provide you a modular kitchen having exactly the same setup. You get tiles between the upper cabinets and the granite slab. You will get a space for a big appliance. The sanitary brand used in this flat is Johnson. There is a utility balcony with this kitchen. Now let's show you the first bedroom. The size of this bedroom is around 11.5 feet by 10 feet. Separate space will be provided for the closet. The closet that you see will not be provided by the builder. You will get a false ceiling of this design in this bedroom. If we talk about the door height, it is 8 feet for all the rooms. In all the rooms, you get a balcony. Ocotec UPVC doors are provided by the builder. The balcony size is around 5 feet. All 1625 square feet flats will be park facing. This area will be the central park of the society. All pipelines are external, so in case of any leak, maintenance team can easily fix it. Next to the first bedroom, you have a common bathroom. The size of this bathroom is around 8 by 5 feet. On the left side, you get a frosted window which provides natural light. And above that, there is a space for an exhaust fan. Johnson or equivalent brand sanitary fittings will be provided. Tiles are provided up to the ceiling and on the floor you get anti-skid tiles. This is the master bedroom of the flat. The room size is 15 by 11 feet. You also get a space for a 3-door closet. It also has an attached 5 feet wide balcony. This balcony will also be park facing. This room also has an attached bathroom. Size of this bathroom is also around 8 by 5 feet. The tile design is different in all the bathrooms. This bathroom also has a frosted window for natural light and a space for an exhaust. Now let's see the last bedroom of the flat. This room size is 11 by 12 feet. As each room has a balcony, it provides natural light and ventilation in all the rooms. This is the false ceiling design that you will get in this room. This room also has an attached bathroom. Size of this bathroom is 8 by 5 feet. It has a setup similar to the second bathroom, only the tiles are different. This is the attached balcony with this room. This side you will be getting low-rise buildings that would be constructed by Godrej. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please do like the video and do subscribe to our channel.